Holy chaotic. Bruh. Bro died.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, orders of small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations of the attack could include Potomac Creek, Whitewater, Maryland Point, Nantucket Creek, Fort Saskatchewan River, Lethal Canadian State Park, Small State Park, Quantico, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Pleasant Point, United States.
301 Nights Memorial Bridge.
State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Aqua Bay, Fort Hunt, Gulf Street, Brest Point, and Fort Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazard is
Zimmer 300, you and your wonky decoder. First alert of the day. That's not what I meant to do.
Central Virginia, Pennsylvania County of Central Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. and 5:09 p.m. Located near Stafford, 20 miles per hour. Radar indicated impact.
Maybe a little too chaotic.
Trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects become projectiles. Locations include Fredericksburg, King George, Fairview, Potomac Creek, Stone Corner, Wheeler, Whitewater, Woodinville, Ironside, Argentdale, Spring Valley, Brook, Ramble, Nantucket, Lambs Creek, and White Oak. For your protection room on the lower
Wait a second.
floor of a building.
540.
Now for the National Weather Service.
Wait a second.
Station KHB36, broadcasting from
Our winds now gusting.
Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting 162.55.
No one? Oh, none of them? Okay.
It's in Manassas, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia issued a special rain warning for
The sink, though.
over Potomac Creek, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots.
Woo!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations affected include Brest Bay, Palm Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Coles Point, United States.
301 Nights Memorial Bridge.
Potomac River, White Point Beach, Little Street, Westmoreland State Park, and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Oh, 74,200.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, the HH is still on, too. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a thunderstorm warning for southwestern
Like, the weirdest polygon Bruh. Itty bitty polygon. I don't know why it's flipped my camera, thank goodness. Wait a second. Why is this cold?
Moving about 25 miles per hour.
Though in a bar like this,
Could bring down trees and large branches.
Nope, never mind.
George, Downwind, Nanjumoi Creek, Port Tobacco River, Wicomico River, Oak Street, Wicomico, Carp Island, Rock Point, Issue, Beach, Tompkinsville, Nim, Mount Victoria, Belle Alton, Newbury, Nanjumoi, and Swan Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Now for the National Weather. Washington.
Okay. 240, you're a telephone.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Sunset River to Brooms Island, Maryland.
Tanya. Not Tanya.
6:01 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located near Post Creek, moving east at 29.
Bruh.
Hazard. Wind gusts.
I had to mess with it.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Couple Creek, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Drum Point, Dares Beach, James Island, Calvert Cliffs, Flag Harbor, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Marine warning remains in effect until 6.
Shush. Hey, guess who decided to join us?
Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern
Guess who decided to actually join us today?
Until 6:45 p.m. At 6:05 p.m. A thunderstorm was located near Post Creek, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lafleda, Leonardtown, Golden Beach, Wicomico, Hughesville, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Bryantown, Bushwood, Clements, Morganza, Dentsville, Tompkinsville, Chaptica, Mount Victoria, Swan Point, Top Hill, Maddox, Loveville, and Helen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning during the storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHC listening area. Tonight, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms until
Shush.